friends, coming to you today with a really quick and easy neutral Valentine decor. If you're farmhouse crazy like I am, I think you will love this project too. I went to Walmart and I picked up one of these 97-cent frames. They come with a little dowel rod for your stand, and I went ahead and took it out of the package because I couldn't tell if it had the little plastic insert or not. Some brands do, some don't. So I guess this 97-cent plaid one from Walmart doesn't. So you need to be aware of that. If you have some overhead projector film or some kind of clear plastic, anything will work like that. What I decided to do is I just kind of went through my craft room and I found a sticker package, and I'm going to cut it to be the size that I need. So that's going to kind of be my faux glass to go in my picture frame. I'm going to put a burlap bow on my picture frame, and I love this stuff right here. It's like $3.50. You get like 25 yards of it. It goes a super long way, and I'm only using 6 inches of it. And what I like about it is the ends of them are sealed, so there is no raveling or anything like that. I picked up a little piece of lace to tie my bow in the center, and then in my picture frame, I want to do something kind of Rae Dunn inspired. I went to a website called defont.com. I'll put it down here at the bottom of the screen so you'll see it. And the font is called The Skinny. And if you've seen these people making the Rae Dunn ornaments and some of the Rae Dunn things you can buy and put the words on them, this is what they're using. The Skinny font. I just typed out on my computer, love was meant for you and me. I'm going to take a pencil very lightly and trace my little saying, and then same way with the plastic. So when I come back to you in just a minute, I'll have these two things cut out. Okay, I have my frame turned over face down. I got it cut to where it just fits in there nice and snuggly. All right, and here is my little saying. Same with this. I almost cut this one too short, but I got it fit in there. And now I'm going to push down all 4 of these little metal holders, and I'm going to turn around and show you. Okay, my paper and plastic is secure, and here it is. Granted, I think if you had a little stiffer plastic like the overhead film or something, but this will certainly do in a pinch since I didn't have any, and someone would have to really look hard to tell that it wasn't transparent film or something. All right, so this is exactly the color scheme I wanted, and now I'm just going to tie up a bow and embellish the corner. So here's my 6 inches. I'm going to roll it up and I'm going to tie it with a piece of lace. Here's my little tube of burlap, and took about an 8-inch piece of lace, tied it in the center, and I kind of shifted my knot towards the bottom because I'm going to hot glue a little heart in the center. Okay, my little bow is hot glued on the corner, and this is just a little wooden heart. You could use a button or whatever you could find to embellish the center of it. Take a black Sharpie marker and color the heart, and I'm going to hot glue it right there, and then I'm going to put it somewhere and let you see what it looks like. Okay friends, we are in my front living room, and I haven't touched this room since Christmas. I still even have a couple Christmas birds on the mantle, but I just stuck it here to show you the finished project. And if you are into neutral decor or you love Rae Dunn, you will appreciate this little project. So I hope it inspires you to make some one-of-a-kind decor. I mean, this took 5 minutes and less than $2 to make. I appreciate you watching. Bye-bye.